Welcome students, welcome to our accountancy classes, class 12, and the new topic is retirement of a partners. In case of retirement, a partner is retiring from the firm and definitely there will be change in profit sharing ratio among the continuing partners. And when a partner is to be retired, if there is an agreement to that effect, if all the partners agree to his retirement, or if the partnership is at will by giving a written notice to the remaining partners of his decision to retire. Now we will discuss about the what are the rights of a retiring partners. A retiring partner is entitled to get his share of capital, interest on capital, revaluation profit, share of profit, etc. up to the date of his retirement. Similarly, he is liable to his share in all the losses like accumulated losses, revaluation losses, drawings, interest on drawings, share of current year losses up to the date of retirement. Next, what are the adjustments at the time of retirements? First point is calculation of a new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Second, treatment of goodwill. Third, treatment of accumulated profits and losses. Fourth, revaluation of assets and liabilities. Fifth point, ascertainment of profit and loss up to the date of retirement. Next point, calculation of total amount due to retiring partner. Then seventh point, settlement of total amount due to retiring partner. Next, adjustment of capital of the continuing partners. So one by one, these points are to be calculated. And next, accounting treatment at the time of retirement of a partner. First point, calculation of a new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. So at the time of retirement of a partner, the business continues with the remaining partners. So the remaining partners' share in future will be calculated. What is new ratio? New ratio means the ratio in which the continuing partner decide to share the future profits and losses is known as a new profit sharing ratio. Then come to gaining ratio. The ratio in which the continuing partners acquire the outgoing partner's share is called gaining ratio. It is called gaining ratio because the continuing partners stand to gain by acquiring the retiring partner's share in profits. Then how to calculate gaining ratio? Gaining ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So for this we will take different cases for calculation of gaining ratio. Case 1, when relative ratio between the remaining partners unchanged. Case 2, when the profit sharing ratio between continuing partners is changed, the new ratio between remaining partners is given. Case 3, when the continuing partners acquire or purchase the retiring partner's share of profit in an agreed ratio. Case 4, when entire share of the retiring partner is taken by only one continuing partners. So now we will discuss by a short examples with the case 1. When a relative ratio between remaining partners unchanged. For this, a question is X, Y and Z are partners and profit in the ratio of 1 half, 3/10, 1/5 or 5/10 is to 3/10 or 2/10. Calculate the new ratio and sacrificing ratio if X retires. So first, old ratio of X, Y and Z is 5 is to 3 is to 2. New ratio of Y and Z is 3:2 because X retires. So gaining ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio, you know it. So how much Y gain? Y gain equal to 3/5 old ratio minus 3/6, 3/10. 3/5 is old ratio minus 3/10 is new ratio. Or you may make a 5 is to 10. That means the denominator will be 10 in both cases. So 6 by 10 minus 3 by 10 equal to 3 by 10. Z again, old ratio 2 by 5 minus new ratio 2 by 10, और 2 by 5 को 2 by 5 को 10 करना है, therefore it is 4 by 10 minus 2 by 10 equal to 2 by 10. So gaining ratio of Y and Z equal to 3 is to 2. In this type problem, case 1, gaining ratio equal to new ratio. So in this type problem, there is no need to calculate gaining ratio. That means where new ratio is not given, old ratio is given and a partner is retired. So after retirement, the remaining ratio, remaining partner share will be new ratio as well as a gaining ratio. No need of calculation of a gaining ratio. Let us see case 2. When the profit sharing ratio between continuing partner is changed or the new ratio between remaining partners is given. Let us take an example. A, B and C were sharing profits in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. C retires from the firm. A and B decide to share future profits in the ratio of 7 is to 5. So here old ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 1 and C retires, and the new ratio of A and B is 7 is to 5. Calculate gaining ratio. So old ratio of A, B and C equal to 3 is to 2 is to 1. New ratio of A and B equal to 7 is to 5. So gaining ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So A gain 7 by 12 मतलब old ratio minus new ratio how much? A gain new ratio is 7 by is to 5 means 7 by 12 minus old ratio how much? 3 by 6. So 7 by 12 minus 3 by 6 और 6 को आप कन्वर्ट कर दो 12 को है, तो 7 by 12 minus 6 by 12 equal to 1 by 12. So B gain old ratio 3 to 1, new ratio 7 is to 5. So B gain new ratio of B is 5 by 12 minus 2 by 6 or 5 by 12 minus 4 by 12 equal to 1 by 12. So gaining ratio is 1 is to 1. Next case 3. When the continuing partners acquire or purchase the retiring partner's share of profit in an agreed ratio. Very interesting example. So A's share acquired by B equal to 3/5 of 3 by 6 equal to 3 by 5 into 3 by 6 equal to 9 by 30. A's share acquired by C 2 by 5 of 3 by 6 equal to 2 by 5 into 3 by 6 equal to 6 by 30. So B's new share, B's old share plus A's share acquired by B. B का पहले कितना था प्लस A B से कितना लिया, दोनों को प्लस कर दो. So 2 by 6 plus 9 by 30 और 10 by 30 plus 9 by 30 equal to 19 by 30. Then C's new share equal to C's old share, C का old share कितना था प्लस C A का शेयर से कितना लिया. So 1 by 6 plus 6 by 30 और 5 by 30 plus 6 by 30 equal to 11 by 30. So new ratio of B and C equal to 19 is to 11. And gaining ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio, you know it. So B gain, B का new ratio कितना है 19 by 30 minus old ratio कितना है 6 by 2, 2 by 6 और 19 by 30 minus 10 by 30. So 2 by 6, 6 को आप कन्वर्ट कर दो 30 को, so 5 इंटू करो, so 10 by 30 है. So 19 by 30 minus 10 by 30 equal to 19 by 30. C gain 11 by 30 new ratio minus old ratio 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 को आपको 30 करना है, so 5 इंटू करना है. So 11 by 30 minus 5 by 30 equal to 6 by 30. So gaining ratio of B and C equal to 9 is to 6 or 3 is to 2. Next case 4. When entire share of the retiring partners is taken by only one continuing partner, it is very simple. For example, A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. B retires and his share is entirely taken by C. Calculate new ratio. Very simple. B retire हो रहा है तो B का शेयर पूरा C ले रहा है. B का जितना शेयर था C अपने शेयर में प्लस कर देगा and A का शेयर will remain same. So old ratio of A, B and C equal to 2:2:1. B retires and B's share is entirely taken over by C. So B's share was 2/5. So A's new share equal to 2/5, which is unchanged, and C's new share equal to C's old share plus B's share acquired by C. So old share of C 1/5 plus 2/5 B का शेयर ले लिया. Then total share of C equal to 3/5. So new ratio of A and C equal to 2/5 is to 3/5 or 2:3. And gaining ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio. A gain 0 because A का old ratio new ratio दोनों बराबर है. A कुछ भी B शेयर से नहीं लिया एंड C कितना गेन किया ना, पूरा एंटायर B शेयर ले लिया. सो ऐसे भी आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. 3/5 न्यू रेशियो माइनस ओल्ड था 1/5 इक्वल टू 2/5 विच इज B शेयर. नेक्स्ट क्लास we will discuss about treatment of goodwill. Thank you.